I turned ChatGPT into my personal fluency coach for 7 days. And each day unlocked a new challenge. Because this is not just a normal ChatGPT. I built a custom GPT that gave me speaking challenges, corrected my sentences, and asked me follow-up questions. Hi, I'm Levikah, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how I built this custom GPT, how I used it for 7 days, and how you can use this custom GPT to improve your fluency too. So let's begin. First, open ChatGPT, go to Explore GPTs, then click Create, and I typed this prompt. You can find all the prompts, instructions, and the tool link in the pinned comment and description. After this, ChatGPT started creating the GPT. It asked what kind of tone I wanted, so I typed this. Then I added the main instruction. You are my personal fluency coach. Your job is to make me practice speaking every day. Give me simple speaking challenges, correct my answers politely, make my sentences sound more natural, and ask me follow-up questions like a real conversation. Don't make the practice boring. Keep it fun, practical, and useful. Increase the difficulty level slowly every day. Then once the custom GPT was created, I asked, create a 7-day fluency challenge for me. Each day should have one speaking task, one feedback method, and one small improvement goal. And the GPT gave me a 7-day improvement plan. So let me show you how each day worked. Day 1, just start talking. On day 1, I asked my custom GPT, give me my day 1 speaking challenge. Keep it simple and help me speak without overthinking. And ChatGPT replied something like this. Your day 1 challenge is to speak for 1 minute about your normal day. Don't focus on perfect sentences. Just focus on speaking clearly and continuing without stopping too much. So I opened the voice mode and started speaking. Then the GPT corrected the awkward lines and gave me smoother versions. And that was actually helpful because fluency is not just about big words or fancy vocabulary. It's about how you say it. Day 2, tell it like a story. On day 2, I asked, give me a storytelling challenge for day 2. Help me speak in a clear beginning, middle, and ending. And then ChatGPT replied something like this. Tell me one funny or interesting moment of your life. First explain what happened, then why it was interesting, and finally, how it ended. This made the task much easier because sometimes we know the story but don't know how to explain it. And it also gave me small lines like at first, then, and, but also. The interesting thing was, and many more. Because fluency is not just about speaking fast, it's about speaking in a way people actually follow. Day 3, no time to think. On day 3, I asked, give me a rapid fire speaking challenge. Give me random topics and make me start speaking immediately. And ChatGPT replied something like this. Here are your rapid fire topics. A useful app, a habit you like, a place you want to visit, and one thing AI can do better. Speak for 30 seconds on each topic. Don't wait for the perfect sentence. No notes, no preparation, just start. Because once you start, your thoughts become clearer. Day 4, speak with more control. On day 4, I asked ChatGPT, give me a confidence and articulation challenge. Help me sound clearer, calmer, and more controlled while speaking. And ChatGPT replied something like this. Explain this 7-day challenge like a YouTube intro. Focus on your pace, pauses, and energy. Don't rush the important lines. So I started explaining it like a YouTube intro. Then the GPT corrected my pace, pauses, and some awkward lines. And it gave me better ways to say it. Because confidence isn't about being loud, it's about speaking with clarity and control. Day 5, say it better. On day 5, I asked the GPT, give me a challenge to improve my expression. Help me turn basic sentences into better and more natural sentences. And ChatGPT replied, I'll give you simple sentences and you will upgrade them. Try adding a reason, example, or result to make each sentence sound more complete. Then it gave me basic sentences and helped me improve them. Day 6, real talk. On day 6, I asked, talk to me like a real person. Ask me one question at a time. and ask follow-up questions based on my answers. And then ChatGPT replied, let's start with something important. If you woke up fluent in English tomorrow, what's the one thing you'd do differently? Day 7, the final test. On day 7, I asked, give me my final fluency test. Test how much I improved in 7 days and give me feedback at the end. And ChatGPT replied, your final task is to speak for 2 minutes about what you learned from this challenge. Include 3 points: what you built, what you practiced, and what changed. So on day 7, I felt more clear and calm while speaking. Because fluency isn't about becoming perfect overnight. It's about becoming more comfortable every time you speak. After using this custom GPT for 7 days, I learned these 3 things. First, speaking improves by practicing. Not by just watching videos, not by just reading tips, but actually practicing. And a system removes confusion. Each day I knew what to practice. 7 days won't make you perfect, but it can make you better. This is the exact GPT I have used to practice, and you can also access it from the link in the pinned comment and description. So start using it today and improve your English fluency. So if you're going to try this 7-day challenge, comment challenge below. So this is Levikah, and if this video helped you even a little, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.